Git vs GitHub. Clear difference. 1. What is Git? Git equals a version control system. Tool. It runs on your computer and tracks changes in your files. Example. You write code means Git saves versions. You change code means Git keeps history. Why? So you can go back to old versions anytime. 2. What is GitHub? GitHub equals a website, cloud platform, for Git projects. It stores your Git repositories online and lets people collaborate. Example. Push code means stored on GitHub. Team members means pull your code. Why? So you can share code and work with others. 3. Where Git works vs where GitHub works. Git works. PC on your local computer. GitHub works. Cloud on the internet. Cloud. Why? Git equals local history. GitHub equals online backup plus teamwork. 4. Main purpose. Git. Track file changes. Manage versions. Work offline. GitHub. Host repositories. Collaborate with team. Review code. Manage issues. Why? Git manages code. GitHub manages people plus projects. 5. Commands vs features. Git uses commands. Git init. Git add. Git commit. Git branch. GitHub provides features. Pull requests. Issues. Actions. CI, CD. Projects. Releases. Why? Git equals command tool. GitHub equals feature platform. 6. Do you need both? You can use Git without GitHub check mark. You cannot use GitHub without Git cross mark. Why? Git is the engine. GitHub is the garage. 7. Real life example. Git equals camera. GitHub equals Google Photos. Git equals save photo versions. GitHub equals share albums with friends. Why? Git saves history. GitHub shares history. 8. When to use what? Use Git when. Check mark working alone. Check mark tracking changes. Check mark undoing mistakes. Use GitHub when. Check mark working in team. Check mark sharing code. Check mark backing up projects. Check mark contributing to open source. In simple words, Git equals tool to track code history. GitHub equals website to store and share code. Git works locally. GitHub works online. Git plus GitHub equals version control plus collaboration.